So my name is Felipe Betancor. I am a student of mechanical engineering in the Honors College of Miami-Dade College, and I'm here to talk about what climate change is all about and my role in it. Well, climate is supposed to be stable and specific to our location. That is how life, or that is why life has adapted differently to different zones in the world. Through geology and other sciences, scientists have been able to understand how climate works, how it was before, and therefore draw patterns of how it should be. The problem is that over the past 200 years, the numbers are not fitting what it should. That is the way that could fit back is if we add the enormous amount of carbon dioxide that has been injected into the atmosphere by human activity. It would take really days or weeks to really explain what climate change is all about, since it has such a wide range. It talks about the past, the present, and the future of the world and life on it. It talks about changes in temperature, changes in the atmosphere, on our oceans, and on our landscapes. So it's a really broad subject, and it can't be explained in short, but what is important to know is that it does affect us, and if we don't make a difference, it will affect us very negatively. Climate change can be noticed by looking at, for example, the amount of ice that has been lost in glaciers. We can see that temperature has been raising, and that is disrupting the delicate balance that nature has. Reliable evidence of all these changes can be seen almost everywhere. I'm just a student, but I am learning, and as I keep learning more and more about it, I realize that it's all true, and that the severity of this can make climate change probably humanity's most biggest challenge. As of my role for it, this is the way I put it. Plants produce oxygen. Insects and birds help plants to reproduce. Animals help other animals. And everything seems to have a purpose for nature's balance. But what doesn't seem to fit is humans. So why are humans in the planet? That might be because we are the only ones capable of actually changing the environment and protecting every other species. So that's what I think my role is as a human being, to protect that balance. As a student right now, my actual role is to get informed so I can communicate with others and encourage them and convince them to make a difference towards the benefit of mankind, my future, my son's future, and your future.